Anyway, guys, it's Samana Peace and Vasela. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Anyway, guys, now it makes sense why Umakumalo and Mpilo they do have a strong relationship. You will think Umpilo is Makumalo's biological daughter. So, according to Makumalo, it's better to bring another child than to bring a wife. That's Makumalo, guys, because time is very important in a polygamous marriage. You need to have time as a man. You need to make sure that you share yourself amongst your wife. So adding another wife is gonna be a problem, guys. So remember, Umusamsaleko's mission is to have 20 children and 100 grandchildren. I don't know whether when it comes to the 100 children he include Usne's children, because Usne has 2, Umpumelelo has 3, guys. Why did I say 5? You Shem Umpumelelo Wabantu. So Umpumelelo has 3, 2 from Vyokaza, 1 from Terelo, and he has 10 children. So now wife number 5 needs to make sure was at least he gives Musamsaleko 10 children, which is highly impossible. She's still young. I don't know whether she's gonna be able, but it's gonna be hard, guys. You've been following Uthandana's Temple from season 1. You have seen Uguti, these wives, they've been rejecting Lendaba Yaka wife number 5. I wonder whether they will accept her, as now we are on Uthandana's Temple season 8. The only person who has met wife number 5, us and Mamkulu, guys, Makele, Umakumalo, Umangwabe, and Mayan. They have not yet met wife number 5. But you can see Uguti, this season, guys, the wives are not happy. They are not getting along. If you've been watching Uthandana's Temple from season 1, the wives, they were doing things together, they were doing grocery together, they were having dinners. You know, right now, guys, everyone is just doing their own things. So Umayene, she's currently at home. You know what, on her direct section you can see Umayene, she's not happy. As for Maktele, she's trying all her best to bring the wives together. As for Mangwabe, she's always telling us Yena she's leaving. Now we are on season 8. Some people are even asking, when is Mangwabe leaving, guys? We are tired of Mangwabe. Time we see Makumalo behaving this way. If you've been following Uthandana's Temple from season 1 to season 7, Makumalo, she was always the happy wife. She will be the happy one. We even call her Kim Kardashian Yakwamseleko, guys. But this season, Makumalo, she's behaving a certain way that we don't even understand. Maybe this has to do with wife number 5, guys. So according to Makumalo, she rather have stepchildren than to bring another wife. Looking at time, guys, not time only, also money, guys. You know, it's too much. At the end of the day, it is what it is. We don't know whether they will accept wife number 5 or not. We're just gonna keep watching Uthandana's Temple season 8. We are now on episode 13. Today Usamke will be going to the hospital to see Musamsaleko, and Umakele will have a dinner with the other wives. Umayeni, she'll also have a conversation with Mangwabe and Makumalo. So as for wife number 5, they've not yet met her. Anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care.